Today I'm gonna teach you how to do makeup. Lipstick, mascara, eyebrows, lipstick liner, brush, lip blush. So first thing, this lipstick line. As you can see, if you just get it on your eyes or lips, mine's not working. It's supposed to work. So the lipstick liner is done, and as you can see, it's really a good shape. So next is mascara, and I know, where's the lipstick? As you can see, they can be cat ears, cat eyes, here. Oh no, I actually put it on my face. How cute! Please get in your eyebrows. Now to the crazy part, lipstick. So as you can see, okay, I'm taking this. It's getting pretty. Oh, that looks a lot. So as you can see, I'm getting a little bit more pretty down the final part. Contour. How are we gonna open this? I can't. Now look at it, guys. It's getting. As you can, a little bit some careful. You don't want to mess up this lipstick. It's okay. I can actually dust it. Oh yeah. Hold on. Time for the final part. The glasses. Ooh, I look fancy. I look fancy. So hey guys, this is all about the video. So bye. If you want to make more videos of me, give us a like. Bye, and subscribe to our channel. Yep, it's the bell button, and you can see more channels of Shari. So bye.